บัดทักไทยครบหมายให้ลายถ้าทุ่งปดลิงโดนหมดให้ลายกองหินเสียมเห็นเราไม่มีบัวทัก
มาร์ชตาเวลาเสียม
เนี่ยมาร์ชสร้างให้สมนี่ปรกเวลาเสียมสองพันในเตียงกองชาเฮลเลยกองชาทั้งค่ะไอ้ตอกเราชิ้นนั่นนี่ลายเห็นบัวทักครบไหม
ลายยีตุยทเวงสุดตุยทเวงไว้ไม่พอใครมามีส
บัวทักครบไหมให้ลายยี
บัวทักที่นี่เพิ่มจุจักรไดรเวอร์เขาวินไปจักรเขาวันเราตีดินนั่นไรเย็ดข้านิเวศเสียอารมณ์โชว์ลำปังไว้จักรกันหันดิ้งเดียวหุ้งมาอะทราฟิกหินติจามเวนัสก็มาเราเชียเฮลตูร์จงแรงอินตัลบวยเวนัสเนี่ยใคร
กองเซเฮลเลยกองทังขมอ
NHIDCL เฮียนเฮดไลน์กงอันเสียมไลน์คานตุนจวนอาเชตอลวังอัตราคลวนตองอันเตียอันกงชัดลวนตุรันสวยฮิจุดีฮิอันเนี้ย
ชัดลวนลงนั่นสมัยบ็อกเซียมอให้ชัดทุ่มมาได้ยะ
กันสกัดเขาตูเต้นกุมสมปังได้กงกันเสียมังอันตีตรงกำเนิดในนังเดือเร่งกลัดมา
เนี่ยให้นังกันเมตอกเวลละมันนี่บัวทักครบไหมอาจจะทุยไปตัวไม่บอกเสียมั้งตัวนั้นก็มันมุนฮีกอลซีบเร่งตะโกนเลย FCI go down go send เวียงอินการ์ขานี่ฮีเซนฟัตเตกเต็นหนานี่ก็เรียกส่วนเราชวนให้ไล่กองฮีเอพริลสังนี่แหละสมนี่ปรุกก็เจ้าตัวนี่อามารอช่วยกันห่วงเฮียนเฮอันโจเราเสียจูอเลลำจุนเบรกตบปะอาซาดเวนเบรกตบปะที่จอกเตียงอาซาดเวฮิโลเบรกตบลงนี่เฮ้ยนี่อันนี้เตรียมนั่งนั้นนมดอนโลโดดบ้างเป็นฟิวดอนโลกันตีขึ้นขมอเสถียรต่อมาอย่างตีขันได้ปองเราจันหูขันยินเสถียรเวตองจุ่มอันโดดเทียนมินบุ่มจิงต่อครบไม่จอรำไม่ปุยฮีเว้นฮีออกัสนี่สมเลยประคัดอันนี้ตัวที่ฮีอันอันกงเสียมอันหมอบผลนัดชินจัดเวปอฮีอันเราจะเราตีฮิจุอลังเจียงเร่งไหมที่ฮีอันกงเสียมเราลุตุก็วางเงินหมดต้นฮิตจามเทียบชวบไหมนี่เฮ้ดิ้งเทปทุกไหมนี่เฮ้กับมาฮีอันยูทฟอร์Kolasibไว้ฟอร์เกย์ไว้ตัวเต็นกงดินมุนฮีขีร์เมกบกะยังตีเงินมันลักเซลโดนเราสุดที่ชวนกันเฮลวะเริ่มมันนี่เลยอินเตอร์วิวเตปกันแล้วนะยังชื่อโซนสังนี่เลยสมนี่ปารุกะขานเบลกท็อปเจ้าตูร์ขานอินเดียมาให้ก็ทุกช่วงเตปกันเราเทียนะมาเสียกงจัดเวนเบลกท็อปกงจัดเวจุลเบลกท็อปเราเนี่ยจนไม่กงเชียร์วังจนให้เวนี่อ่ะพอที่เฮียนKolasibเร่งแต่ก่อนจูก็เส้นเวงอินการ์จูที่เฮียนตีราไม่กายกันเตี้ยนี่ตีราไม่กายที่กัดยินนาวกัลชันกัลที่จันตีรังเดวินกัลเซ็ตกันหันตีเลต้าจูนี่หิมเลยกันเฮลัย National Highway 306 เลย06 contractor ที่เฮียนมิเจ้ามีปุ๋ยเต็มินบุญจิงต่อหัวมอที่จงเฮียนเช่นขัดส่วนออร์เพียร์ตรงนั้นรถจันเวทเท่านี้มิเจ้ามีมักเด้อเหมือนกันเนี่ยอาหารทานสงนี่ฮีอันเสียมหุ่นลายกันพุ่นทีนายพุ่นเสียลุตุกนินเตียหุ่นลายกันพุ่นเหล่าระไข่กันอาระกันเตลเมกนี่ฮี
Why you are not? So we think that they will give the approval of the PKC. So we are pending it already. Sir, given it again. He give the PKC because of some in hilly area we see that the water.
Another question is, how come you don't know that there can be a seepage before hiring the contractor? You're not just a common contractor, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So you should have learned everything before doing the work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I want to give you the question of that was, sir. Actually, suppose that there is drain, sir. We can do the drain up to the depth of the 600 meter. This was a provision, sir. And suppose we say that we want to do the drain of the 100 meter, then we need to take it also approval, sir. Or we know that even if you will construct the 600 drain, that will also, sir, create the problem of that. So there will be the water ingress in the surface. That is why, sir, waste.
I know that.
Yes, sir.
That is your new provision, right?
Yeah.
That is your new provision. But what I'm asking is, why don't you study before?
Yeah, before
You call the contractor.
somebody else has done that.
Actually, sir, we have given it.
What he means is that you are an experienced engineer,
Yes,
you are an experienced contractor, you are
Before we came
you are
here,
concerned.
somebody else has made that.
Sir, actually, we also have the new joining here,
new
sir.
DPM.
And
No,
I'm not
he's
from
from
the
the
contractor
authority.
side, I'm from authority engineer
This
side.
person is from long time back, no?
He's from the NHIDCL, sir. And there is a provision, sir. They have met that we will do only the DBM. Honestly, I'm telling you, they do it.
My only. In this,
Town area 70
I
and
give you
here
the
it is
challenge
50.
in the 70 to 90 percent. 70 to 90 percent. I have the already the code.
Then what is the thickness for that?
It's not the thickness problem. It's not the thickness problem.
Town area 70. It is the
In the
problem
town
of
area,
that.
like the
Even if you enter the 100, that will be
like Mijo Fort
Sure,
petrol
sure,
pump
will be fair.
is 70. The DBM thickness is 70 and continuous DBM and BCM, BC. And after Mijo Fort petrol pump,
Real thing
in
is
this
that,
location, some location are DBM like the patchwork DBM and the BC is whole length and the BC thickness is 40 mm.
Then let me ask you one question. What is your observation right now? Because see, there Mongkotlir area before reaching after passing Tingdol,
Yes, yes, sir.
Citron,
Yes, yes, yes.
before reaching Kawngpui.
Yes, sir.
That one
Those
also.
of the
that one also
portion and this portion also and this some
one,
portion
That
here
is,
also.
that is what, sir.
You have already completed their DPM and everything
Yes,
on
sir.
March, April.
Yes.
So let's say every August. It is not even lasting for around 3 months, 4 months.
Yes.
What is your observation? What is the reason for that? What is the main cause?
Yes, sir.
Loophole in there.
Yes, sir. That's what I want to tell you, sir. That yeah, you are the right here. That is what I want to tell you about the central department, sir. Even if you will again, we will do the DBM and BC. Again, the same process will be here. There is a CPS water which is coming from hillside, the drain, below the drain surfaces. So of course we need to prepare here the PQC, sir. So that's why we have already written the proposal, sir. Upon suppose that they were saying that why you are not doing the DBM. Again, we will the DBM BC, and of course it will be in the rainy season 3 and 4 months. That will be dismantled. So there is need of the sir PQC surfaces, and that's why they have given a proposal here.
I
also,
know
sir.
that PQC area there after passing Walkang there also.
Yeah, they have
there's
given
a
it,
huge length area for
Yes,
or
sir.
PQC already done.
Second time they have done.
That is very good. Before
Yes, sir.
reaching after passing
we'll
Walkang.
also prepare
And also giving the
after
that was the
getting the
recommend
approval.
that what I want to tell him that the recommendation, sir. We have already did the PQC. There is need of also the PQC.
If that kind of PQC is approved and then you
We will do
you
PQC.
can execute it
This is
even
the simple-
during the monsoon rain
That's
season.
what
after
of course, sir,
like
we will do.
August,
Previously, this PQC have already submitted on
It is
last
not,
time
it
in
was not approved.
February,
It was
March.
not. It was not approved.
Sir, the
Not approved date, sir.
Then
In February,
is there any assurance that this will be approved right now?
Of course, we
GM
will
sir
do
is
that.
sitting there.
That is
okay,
why, sir, our
Director
general
sir has
manager
told
is
that
there.
to send the proposal. They are evaluating the assessing the assessment. Okay, by 1 or 2 days we will send it. Okay.
That is why, sir, he is in the department.
last week.
And we are also sending the pictures of that, sir. Even if I will do again the DBM, that will be the same problem. That is why, sir, we need the
tomorrow I also
PQC.
like visit the same location, not in this area, like apart from that, in the package 4 and package 5 location.
Rather very well.
This is tomorrow.
Wait.
No, we are also filling that for that. Okay, we are also filling that for that.
For me, right now, for
There is no use for doing BC here. Okay.
Again, we will do something.
So we have to-
no use of doing BC.
Yeah, we have to
That's
discuss
not
the- we have to
This is
discuss
the-
the- so you have stopped that. Okay.
The same thing, sir.
I already know some other point, like in the package 3, package 4 and the STMC.
Where the PQC channel
PQC
is.
channel I already know. From the tomorrow also we are going because of this. Like in this I want to add this one. Because in this location now we are coming from the new and so we already taken and I have a picture of this. This is tomorrow. This is the location is already in the package 10, package channel STMC.
They have given us assurance that they are having that DPL.
Defect liability period. Defect
DLP,
liability. Yeah.
DLP.
For that,
So they openly say that if there is any damage within 1 week, within 2 weeks, we will rectify everything.
See, Parmandas is still here. He is rectifying in the town
Maintaining
area.
all
He is rectifying in the town area. You can see.
Where?
Where? This one? No.
To the
I don't know.
Highway
See,
and structural
I
engineering.
myself, I'm fed up. I'm fed up, really fed up of this road. See, imagine this is your hometown road. What will you do?
The similar situation, sir.
Just
We are
imagine.
regretting for this. Yes. That's why, sir, we are trying our best, sir.
You can see now. My
Because
side.
we are trying our best. That's why we are telling to our sir, department.
I think this is your real hometown. We are walking like this.
This is our second. What do you think? We are compromising. This is our second hometown. Okay. You
Yeah,
can see
second
on the side
hometown
of
is your.
At the time
It's
of
your
the
second
construction.
hometown. You have been here
More than
for
hometown. We are staying here.
But
We are-
if you are living here more than 5 years, sir, of course, sir.
That is what we are talking about. You are already here more than 4 or 5
Means
years.
that like that.
You are supposed to have that much of experience in this road.
Yes.
The seepage and all of the layer you have you are expected to know.
Actually, I'm saying the 4 or 5 years in the northeast region, sir. Someone from like that he has come this year, sir. But before that he was in the Guwahati,
We
sir.
also
I
like
was in the.
propose
Being the same one that
na,
was 4 and 5 years.
first we observe like in this area na, we already done the DBM. So I think and you can see the condition and this condition we already done the BC.
Which means he is the best, sir.
So that's why we are stopped.
Is there any possibility you can give this copy?
Okay.
Yes, sir. So one separate copy, sir. Fair copy.
I want to
Last time with on November.
आपको का पोर्शन कहाँ तक है?
हम लोग का पोर्शन 95 से
नहीं जगह बोलो जगह
लोकेशन का नाम बताओ.
लोकेशन का नाम बताओ.
कंफ्यूलाम
Kawngpui to
95 to
Leitan to Bilkhat.
Leitan to Bilkoti. 95 to
what are you doing? आप बोले क्या क्या कर रहे हैं अभी?
अभी तो सर जितना मार्केट एरिया पोर्टहोल
वो जो जितना पोर्टहोल है आप देखा नहीं?
जी सर वो वही
Didn't you see all the potholes you know?
Sir, you can see
95
like
से
labor home से उनको बोलना
बोलिए
95 से इसका भी हो रही है कंक्रीट से फिलिंग करना पड़ता वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस
work in progress.
repairing portholes.
Since when?
Right now.
Right now.
Like since
Just when we have the voice.
No.
I'll show you. I'll show you in the road. Let me finish. Let me
road
finish.
Before 1 or 2
Just when we have a voice,
No sir.
start working.
Before 2 weeks we have started. I'll not agree
I'll show
on
you
that.
the
Center
Before
sir,
2 weeks.
also
We can up to every day we are monitoring. Sir,
Sir, we have a picture.
Water leakage, but all the road has been maintained. Why can't we do that in Mizoram?
the main thing is
Few weeks back, I went to Arunachal Pradesh. Yes,
Few weeks ago.
they maintain properly, regularly.
Yes, sir.
We don't see no potholes.
Yes, sir.
So why can't we do that same thing over here? I think we are making money over Mizoram Road.
The section of the sailing we will see that. The same department is our NHIDCL, the same the GM server. There is also the best. We are giving the example. But some area due to the geological data, due to some hydrologic factor, we are
I
facing
know.
the problem.
See, it's the same problem. Yeah, you are making saying the same problem over and over again. But
And-
even the other northeastern state have the same problem. But they don't have a problem like this.
For that we are sending the proposal.
what he mean is that what he mean is that excluding the PQC. Let's forget about the PQC. Those of the work which you have already executed, it doesn't even last for 3-4
Yes.
months also.
Not-
That is the main source.
Not all the roads are because of seepage and leakage.
from which
You cannot make excuses. Somebody for that, you know.
I want to tell you my observation. This is not
If you see the this location na, this is the seepage location. I'll show you the
From
video also.
from
In,
70%
95
road
to
is damaged. And that is
I
not
have
all
the,
because of
video,
seepage or
damage.
water leakage.
No, some persons are 4 lane is also coming. Okay, on the ground.
That is acceptable.
We know that. No,
That is
30-40%
obviously
are
accepted.
coming in the 4 lane. 40%.
I know, I understand.
Actually, my point of view is that some portion, if during the rectification, you are not, those contractor are not rectifying it immediately, then again it will cause
this is the problem.
damage more and more
Immediately,
each and every
Yes,
day.
आप एक letter दे दीजिए वो contractor.
According to the norms, yes, they need to look after the road. Right.
After every reason.
They are repairing only when it is fully damaged.
And
Let
that
them
too on the
repair
monsoon
when
season.
there is a small pothole, then there will be no excess of money, no excess of material. Rectify it immediately. Then saving of money, saving of time, saving of materials. But now they are again waiting for the whole damaged portion.
No. See, if this one is damaged, then they will have to bear it. We will not pay.
What is the condition regarding that completion certificate in some portion they have given?
That is what our EPC contact. EPC contact. No, sir. There are some portion from this one, Leitan to Kawngpui.
SDMC portion, the SDMC contractor, we heard that last time when we come to the office. Most of that SDMC contractor, they are already given the completion certificate.
Balaji has
And if EPC contractor will take charge of that, that is our information.
Balaji has given the completion certificate, but we have not handed over all the money. Okay, we have not given completion.
Then what about the rectification of Balaji area?
They are rectifying.
It's going on.
That's why he is presenting. They are rectifying. They are the
Except those locations where PQC is to.
Tu na hiang Kolasib tu tha feng
The pipe leakage over there.
mar than black top zo vek to chiat deu na khan kan me ka ni NHIDCL hmunah contractor engineer tenen hmunah an thir chho me ka ni hey chuan helai kong tlolo chanan ni chuan lama chuan PH tui hi ali reng maya sumi ni wang chuanin helai kong hit lo thei lo ni antia ali kan ti na lai mun kha kan en don ani kan soi tong khan helai mun hi an black top zo tang kan phathum po thaman lo thani na chenga la ni o helai hi PH pipe an phum kong lai ali ko man ti na lai kha ni a
He culvert. He
khulai khu
is done by the PWD. According to you.
not according to me.
hemi highway hnuai hi kalwa to ma he wa hena tlawh lo ni an te ni
Water goes through. It's going through. The water is going
Now it is being cleared. That's 1 or 2 days before we have cleared it.
And then because of this culvert, how many meters would this be?
200 meters.
Are you sure?
tu lai che phei tu lai hi
200 meters wide.
metar san hi vela thui an te ni
So it's very awkward.
But this is not only.
No one will believe this one.
You are right, sir. I am not denying you. Your point is correct, sir. But only this is, I am telling you, this is the part of us. Not only one point. There are many different points. But it is, I think, time and suppose we are searching for what is the main root cause.
Say, kung ni asyad gay na umno rin, kaya ni umno rin. So, an suan lam le pakatsum. Elaya yan in truck association in Koisa kona. An ting renga dia ba se truck dinawa ka kung atsya ka. An ba siam che obem veti ka zona ni. You
Truck.
told me that truck used to stop here.
Here,
And you-
up to there. Up to there.
That this is your excuse for
No, not excuse, sir. Not excuse, sir. This is the reality, sir.
reality.
Because so many,
Alright,
trucks,
alright,
so many
let's-
trucks are stopping.
I am fine. It is the reality. Reality is that the truck stopped from over there till up there, right?
Yeah, with the car.
Because of the jam.
But that was not the primary reason.
No, let me finish. Let me finish. If in many places, let's say in many places, like in a truck terminal, many trucks have been deported there, parking there.
Yes, sir.
There is no damage.
They're getting the
But how come? You told me. You're telling me that.
sa ani na taka chotel truck ding a hi minute ni ding po mai lo re re problem ateng lo kha chu chuan la ateng lo
No, sir. This is. I believe this is just an excuse. I want to clarify. I want to rectify this. All right.
That's why PQC is proposed.
Quality. The main problem is the quality of your.
any person, sir, if this gets water, no, it will demolish, sir.
I don't accept that. I don't accept that, sir.
What is
I don't
the
accept
reason
that.
for
After
PQC? I feel this will be.
If this is another state without PQC, it will be well maintained. I'm sure.
In that case,
I've been in Meghalaya for around 25 years. The same, they have the location is same with Mizoram. They have the same seepage.
That is possible. That is possible.
Chera punji te potui tamjok dei lo.
And
Yes, like Sir said, Cherrapunji, the most rainy
for new road, that one is possible.
Are yaar, oh new road nahi hai. They do not maintain every year.
Helai kong hi kan sei fial lo kanga.
But we need to maintain.
Helai kong hi sangka zakwa
Ano lo may pubiyak. Tin kan maintain ang lagi dito.
adik chialom.
Cherrapunji so ni kamtak anring thai.
Sangka zakwa somko pathum vela helai national highway hi lo chho nen ka kha. Sei sual mai thaya. Tilai khan he tiang lai ang hi a chengai lo. NHIDCL tena National Highway 306 an khoya tang chia hian heng lai kan Kawngpui te a chhijol ta ni khati hun lai khan PHE khan omlo ni big lo wa anom thar thut big lo anom re vai ni po helaya side drain wi hok luan kor kan ti do na mi tui kor an hnuaya oma hemi wanga tlo lo ni chuan ama mi zong zong khan an tlowa enga tinge NHIDCL noi contractor James Protect Zandu te hian hela hi thathum dai pon siam thei lo ti hi ngai tuana ni chuwangin kan ram Kawngpui chiat na bula hi chuan NHIDCL in mo phur lo thei lova an contractor te nin tha da ni ti hi a chiang ani helai chang hi ni lova Kolasib to Kawngpui in car an black top October sang ni som ni panga an black topping zo po kha hetiang ang yan a chevek to ni a za thak hetiam em kong tlong lo zual hi eng tikhun lai main kan thengai lo chuwangin NHIDCL ten Mizoram kong an ron khoi tang hian kan ram Kawngpui te hi a chezual ta zokin atlo lo zual ta zok mi ti lo hi chu har takani
I don't care about the rigid pavement, PQC or anything else. Why is it not maintained? My question is, why is it not maintained?
150 mm WMM
But for retail pipe will be giving you.
70 mm DPM and then 40.
17 year core cutting is there. I will show you.
No, see this portion, especially this portion, if it is done that kind of as per the guideline, JSB WMM 150, then 70 DPM and 40.
70 dBm.
Mala an chuan an ho zia chu. Tan kalvat a phe ni chu hei. Kalvat am phe PWD siam. Hemi hi akal tlang lo chu chuan in sipe cha siam an tia. Pani le na so ta so nin PHC tu pai ali ka. Ate ma se hi metar sa ni ani ta ni chu. Yanin truck association in jam siam ta. Truck adin awang khan.
Sir, one more.
Achema atini chu.
Sir,
Just
Aten omzia chu.
just before that, just before
they
the
are not
office,
telling
sir,
that the drug
just
is the
before the
primary
office,
cause. The
there is
primary
one
cause
pipe
is
leakage,
still
sir.
there. Due to the subsurface water, there is the leakage, and culvert was the choke, sir. And due to this, that if the at the same places there is a stopping of the
See, sir,
heavy
I know
vehicles
that.
coming, so this is coming.
Yes,
And also
yes.
you will see that the gradient is, sir, from that portion to here, it is a downgrading. So
an
pipe
noi
is
hian ti
leakage
tlang
here.
thom
You
lo
must
mi
be
hela
that,
hian tlang tho hian enge hi mi kong hi effect na
For that pipe leakage complaint, last time you have complained to the DC, PHE numerous times.
we complained
He
the
is
last
not
3
taking
times.
any action till now.
We are complaining the last 3 times, giving the letter from the last year.
We have the local people here who are living over here. Just as Sarmala says, just suppose if your family live over here, what would you do?
ti thawen kan VC member te khan zo du ne engineer an ne ni ho hi
If your family
enge
live
tlo lo
over
chan te
here,
an chuan lam te kha
I think you will be
zor lo lo tong in thiam tho lo
like this.
That is why, sir, our sir has given a letter also. They are repairing, sir. They are
You have to solve this one.
Yeah, we have cleared this one. We have cleared this one. Last 2 days before we have cleared it.
I've already proposed to Mr. Pandey before that, about 2 months back. I've already proposed this one have to be good. You have to reconstruct it. This one. You already process. What about the leveling? You take a. I've already talked to Mr. Pandey also. We have to make new one like without newly constructed.
Who was
No, Parmanda. He's still here. Oh, he's still here. I think last time I spoke with you about this 600, right? No, he is not being handed over here.
No. I spoke with him, but then he's the one who told me that सब अभी क्या करना है?
अरे प्लीज इसमें कुछ मटेरियल डाल के
वो कब शुरू होगा?
एक वीक पहले किया था।
एक वीक
फिर खराब होता है फिर डिपेंड करते हैं। अभी विल क्लियर
कब से? कल से। अभी क्या लगाएगा?
अभी
कितना mm लगाना है?
अभी नहीं सर लगाऊंगा।
helai mun hi helai Kolasib pi thaveng kong tlolo chana chuan lam chunia hei ti hian tui hi luanga helai side rena hian alut khowa helai kong hnuai hian tui hi luang reng thei ni chuti chung chuan enge helai kong hian atlolo phana chan tur hi keimi mol hian kan kheve ta tlat lo pe kani chu ti hian an noya tu luang thei renga hei ti hian helai nuai tu luang renga hi achunga kongkal hi ahan ti hu pha emme ti hi ngai tuana ni ka ngai tuana mol mang deu mai thei i ke chu ko oi velo an chuan lam zon na mai ya ka ngai mar sang ni som ni porgan break top ha zone tha chona chele vek to ni ei kan muang hian thu motor rapon chu an nuai tui luang hian helai kong hi ati tlawh thei lowa ke chu ka ngai lowa an chuan lam zon na mai ni ya ke chu ka da tat oi a har ka ti deu ani chu ei ti hian
नवंबर में
अभी रेनी सीजन में नहीं हो पाएगा ना घर की तरह
नवंबर में
नवंबर अभी
how can I know this is your hey this
helai ye tinge siam zo kha e tinge gen black top zo
tilai vel anong khoilai khan an ta mo
mar than lo mi
ani vel dei to are to lu tu
this is location
here first of all let me tell you one thing you have to make a maintenance so good because we are having so many problems regarding the traffic jam. First of all, the muddy thing when the sun is come up,
dust will come out.
Muddy.
siam
After that, look at this one.
गाड़ी जाते रहता है
How can we do it for the people?
Why is there a traffic jam?
Because of the potholes. There is so many potholes. It is the main problem. So you need to maintain. You are going to do it on November. November से start करेगा ना ऐसे बोला ना. Last year. It is last year October. It is the rainy season. November, December, January, February, March. Monsoon start here from April or last month of April or May. You have a lot of time. In other states, they maintain the road in the dry season.
helai kong hi tlawh em boka kha tu na an mani soidang ka chon October sang ni som ni panga kan black top zawan tia chuan October November December January February March April alone May ya chuan helai kong hi cheder to May June July tu na August ni som pakhat ani ti hi din hun ani ne chuwang chuanin an kong siam hi chawlo ni kum khat dai talin kong mi siam sakro se kan te kum khat chu dai lo tharuk po dai lo ni hi chuwangin en to na pass vek am mani o an engineer ho hi chu ka ti ta deu a soi hi chon soi thiam khop soi thiamin kong hi tlawlo soi thiam a ina taka thok thiam hi I kan ramin ma mo zo thil han thiet ve reng ro chun duai comment hi na deu du mai o mangai o kan ka tan chuan ma se thudik ani thudik aro hi chu kana na fak thin ani tiro chu ngai tuana ni tel thome
If the rain is the main excuse, then what
ro voi khal sura khong mal vek lo
during the monsoon rain will come.
car ni bar chalo
3 months if it is again damaging every year, then
an repair le khamar tha khania mar sang ni som ni paru
Subsurface drainage. Main problem is the subsurface drainage.
my point of view is that you are an experienced engineer. You have done so many roads in other portions.
DPR was prepared before.
You should have known this kind of.
Because main thing is the drainage problem, okay?
That also you have to calculate it. You are an experienced engineer.
He's, we are recalculating what he's telling. Just listen, sir. He's telling right thing, na? Actually, DPR पहले ही बनाया गया था. We received it on July 2025, sir. We received
Last year only on 8 July we have handled.
we received it from 8 July to 2025. Before that, it was then PWD.
People they don't want any
What they have prepared that according to estimate they do
pointing,
it, sir.
blaming each
Suppose
other.
that if the
They say that let the
subsidy is not
blaming
the good,
game
sir.
stop.
Sir, we are not blaming.
वो जो सीमेंट से अच्छी तरह से कर दीजिए उसमें तो
नहीं जब रिजिट पेमेंट हम करेंगे ना तब जाके करेंगे।
रिजिट पेइंग के बाद है
हाँ तब नहीं तो
ड्रेनेज बना देंगे ना.
का प्रॉब्लम चलेगा भाई
नहीं वो
अभी तो रेनी सीजन है ना क्लियर नहीं होने से कैसे चलेगा ये फिर से रोड के लिए भी तो अच्छा नहीं है
एवरी टाइम क्लियर करते जाएगा।
एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ा ये
If you suppose that again it will
अभी तक नहीं चल रहा है तो क्या करेगा इसका देखो वो पर रास्ता पर अभी वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है पानी चल रहा है भाई सिर्फ पानी नहीं पत्थर भी चल रहा है ओ उसका भी क्लियर करने के लिए मुझको पांडे भी बोल रहा था क्लियर करवाना है ना भाई
chuan helai mun hi Kolasib le thingdolin kar khania balaji tip khan October black topping hian zowa ti chuan a lo chele dewa Mars sang ni le somni paruk khan an repaira ruan sura lo khok le a June ni som panga an repair le a voin hi ai August ni som pakhatania voin ni chuan hei ti hi ania ruwa sur ni lo hlawa hei azia debe chuan an kong siam hi tlolo ni ti hi chu phadrol ani lo za thak lam deuh lek chu ni
Even at night also, if required, we send our vehicles.
JCB and excavator.
So what seems to be the problem according to you?
Drainage system.
Drainage
Sir,
system plus
sir, see, sir. This side, which I think the camber is this side.
con làm lai người con tỷ hiền anh nên tiền lấy thế lâu này con chia vàng hiền buổi thà có mấy su con sợi tông han October sang thì sum nít pangan black top zova thì chuan thà lai pohon lâu chele mana mar sang ni le sum nít panga ruka an repair le a ruan sur le zevo voi ni khat a lâu chele a zun ni som pangan repair le a ti hi din hunani kong siam tlawh lo tiang em kong siam tlawh lo hi Mizoram kan na thangai lo ni
But the water is flowing this way. Your construction is
Means this side is down as part of the elevation.
why don't we elevate before this side?
The similar cases, sir. They have given the drainage system, but the water which is coming, suppose that 1.5 meter below that, which is beneath it, how that can be good? So that is why sir down इसलिए किया है ना कि जो मेट्रिक हमारा सुपर एलिवेशन आता है ना तब ये नहीं पूछ रहे हैं नहीं इसी से पूछ रहे हैं कि पानी के लिए ग्रेडियंट काफ ग्रेडियंट होगा करेंगे
See, this is
Why
the.
don't you elevate this?
No. According to that one. See, that side is high side. Okay. Curve. So you have to maintain like this gradient. Okay.
ril ru hina vong thina duai trong nat te po hi a ol khop mai a hmunah han kala ataka tong tu ni chuan a hmunah kal lo le ataka tong lo tu te hian ra la tang hian khezong ni hi kan tum thin hi ha tha ka ra la tanga tu te soyamo tu te thala ka bo NI chona hmunah kal te hian kan chiang ang ti hi ringila o iso kang aril na thak tak zet ni NHIDCL ne contractor kan na thodan tlawh lutuk khi kong che so hian politicize ruling a do zo ngai kat mai te hi kan mindset te hi siam re mangai pha ka ngai to ni hi ko lo la lo kala pakati ding top mai ne chu tin lo chuan kong chela wan tai mai don ruwa su lo la ba ni hian azia la be motor hi tambok sia tong khiat kim hi har khom nai.
Yeah, one time repair is not really sufficient, na. So second day we are supposed to repairing. So this is again damage because of the overloading. While in the progress of the repairing, he want to say something.
I'm telling you. While they repair this one, we have a duty over here. We block the other side, they repair the other side. We block the side where they are repairing. We use that other side for motorable.
You are also there.
Yes.
You know the thickness and everything.
Yes, yes. But then what happened is,
Only the problem is the water, sir. Water leakage and all.
our main problem is your DBM proportion is not correct.
Engineer te po hian kan ho tu te zo na hi an chang lei thei lo ni an soi thui thei viau na
Anytime, it may be at night, day and night, 24 hours. That is
So
this
your
vehicle-
PQC will be done after approval.
Yes.
Are you how assured can you give me about the approval?
So
Any assurance?
my GM sir is sitting there.
So when can we know the approval?
Based on the previous, sir, you can see that in the like the Mulkhan and Sirkhan, when we received the approval PQC, we did it, sir. The similar situations are also. You have seen it there, na? There is a PQC.
last year
When we received the last year, sir. When we received the approval and did it. So we know that, sir, of course we will get the approvals, and our GM sir is already there for PQC approval, sir. That's why we are giving you challenges here where we need it.
That means it is not because of the seepage or drainage.
Sir, how it is damaged then, sir? Before
The
2020,
BRTF
in
throw.
2025, na?
When the Mizoram road were maintained by the BRTF, we never have a complaint.
Sir, that time is small vehicles were coming. So many.
No.
Four-lane construction is going on, sir.
Come on, this is a state. ये तो ये भी state है ना. Not only small vehicle.
You was point out that the MSB load is increasing day by day. You can see the data. Excuse me, MSB, sir. Actually, road is designed on MSB data. You will see the
what is the traffic, sir? After 10 years, sir.
MSB data is
See, sir. After 10 years, the traffic will increase, sir.
MSB load is, sir.
Then
Every road is
this design will not be
traffic
fit for after 10 years, sir.
sang ni som ni palima a tila hian kong a chengai lo re
It will not even last for 2 years. See, actually, Abed, what I'm saying is, again, the thickness.
Tell me here.
Because of the thickness. This is only DPM 50 mm. Heavy traffic, and then even this kind of large vehicle. they are
अरे सर
carrying-
इसका कौन काटे?
DBM कितना किया था?
DPM नहीं हुआ, only BC.
only 50
कैसे करवा दिया?
अरे यार, BC से उल्टा.
खाली BC.
chu chu nia kalau se na chu ama in helai kong a hian a kong a chengai lo an li ho ina an don thot tang chen chia chu to na po
Certification,
I 50 chin an beiti na nia
met Mr. No, Saksam, we went together with this road. Then he's covering that Balaji people. They are only rectifying with the BC. What is the reason with this? Why are they not laying this JSB, the WMM, DBM? Then he told me that this is the procedure for this road. This is the procedure for this road. If this is the procedure for this road, every road will be damaged within 1 or 2 months.
sir, actually I am the new here. I want to tell you, if he's saying like that, the BC is here, there are some provisions. Actually, throughout the DBM is not like the 10 kilometer is the DBM, and then 5 kilometer is the JSPW and BC is the throughout. So maybe this section has been proposed only for the BC. We close that this section was proposed.
Not only this portion, not only this portion. 95 to 118.
Yes, maybe the DBM will be here. It's not. Full extent. There is the DBM. That is what the point, sir. He is saying that from 1990 there is the DBM. Means that is this portion was proposed only the BC. That is why. From here that is started the DBM. He is saying that this portion was. He is saying that is why he was there at the time of supervision.
ông giờ chuan mo set hon te Kawngpui te chu a chia kan khe tho ma se helai chho hi sang ni som ni pali main a chengai lo black top nuwa sang ni som ni panga tang chen a chia an kong siam hi a che tok ani mai.
As I have spoken earlier down there, all of you are an experienced engineer, experienced contractor, working somewhere else in many portions. It's that this portion is needed of so many things. See, now the experienced engineer, the experienced contractor Balaji is constructing this road, not even lasting for 3 months.
Actually,
this kind of experienced people should not have done this kind of
contractor
things.
also, whatever we can do is only as per the approved quantity, no? Item of work, what are the approved item of work and what are the quantity as per the POQ only. That's why.
State dang hen Mizoram ang em kong tlawh hin siam ve tum
2.7 kilometer PQC road. So after constructing this PQC road, I think in near future.
Have you went there Champai Road? I told you Champai Road. Once the road condition is very good, no?
Same department, NHIDCL.
Yeah, I know. That is why
He was there only.
Yes, but see, Aizawl to Champai Road and Aizawl to Kolasib Road, you cannot compare it. You see, the traffic and the vehicle, this truck, heavy vehicle, moving around here is, even for 24 hours, it will be around more than 400, 500 vehicles turning around here. There, very, very less. One day of this road traveling, this vehicle will be around, comparing there Champai to Aizawl, it will be around 1 month traveling for there, comparing with them.
Yes, sir.
So that much of heavy traffic is running here in this road,
Yes, sir.
especially from Barangay to Aizawl Saira.
Yes, when we do
That means from there on, you should have the knowledge that this kind of roads, that heavy traffic is moving, should have the best quality, the thickness and everything from the foundation, from the sub base and everything. That kind of knowledge you should have known it. That will be that has to be, even not an experienced engineer and not an experienced contractor will have the instinct of that. But being an experienced engineer, being an experienced contractor, you should have known this kind of solution.
Let me tell you, sir. You are right. I'm not denying your point. The thing is that, sir, he told about the BOK. Suppose that we have the 100 rupees I tell you, sir. This portion was proposed to the DBM basis. There is no any proposal of throughout the DBM, sir. There is no proposal of throughout the GSPW. So where is the proposal of the DBM, BC and GSPW? They have maintained it. Where is the proposal like that only the BC they have to? Now you ask about the second question I am coming here. You are saying that here the heavy vehicle. Of course, that's what I want to tell you, sir. This is the entering point from the Silchar to the Aizawl area. Here is the more vehicles are heavy loaded as coming, of course, sir. And we get the July 2025, sir, from this, before that it was the PWD. So we are also telling that this road design depends on the MSP data. And from Aizawl to the Champai, the traffic is the less. This is also diverse because all traffic is coming inside the Mizoram. They are from the Silchar to the, they will go through this road, sir. That is what I suppose that 100 rupees or 100 quantity available. Where is the business they are doing it? So, but the conductor will not go to the beyond of the 100 quantity. That is.
While executing the work, you maintain the leveling properly, because passing out the water. There the drain is there, this side the drain is there. How will the water flow there? The road is this slope. sloppy.
We have to maintain the
You have to maintain some exit for the. There might be some solution in each and every
But
corner.
wherever possible, we make to drain.
You are from originally from Manipur.
Sang ni som ni paruka zo to rakha tu na chuan nei sang ni le som ni pasaria
Then that means only the
chuan khan zo the an ti ta the de mai chu ani hi
Kolasib patang Kawngpui. Kolasib patang Kawngpui apikin 4 lane ina akhoi area chin ho.
Expectation ala niya nga susu.
Oh.
Kawana.
Chuan an soidan chuan Kawngpui Kolasib patang Kawngpui in car hi 4 lane ina akhoi kilometer som pariat ania an khoi tur chin hi. Chuan 4 lane ina akhoi tlawh tur chin hi kilometer li chawa homa. Abak song kilometer som pali chu nakum sang ni som di pasari mei thlamain kan zo man vek ang antia chuan abak song kilometer li hi engtin nge ni angti kan lo in zot me kan ni chu
Sumik.
ta Kolasib patanga Kawngpui karami ho 4 lane ina akhoi tel
two contractors are there. One is RSK and MNN and
no
one is
abet what they are saying is from Kolasib to Kawngpui the whole stretch is around 18 kilometers, right?
No, 95 to 118.
95 to
From
118.
Dengtakon to Sethon.
नहीं वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कोलासिब से
कोलासिब से
Kawngpui
Kawngpui
किलोमीटर कितना है
95.
5 किलोमीटर और 18 किलोमीटर 23 किलोमीटर अप्रॉक्स 23 किलोमीटर
From Kolasib to Kawngpui. Then there around 18 kilometers is crossing the 4 lane, right? Crossing matlab
This is for package 5, it is 18 kilometers. From then package 6 starts.
पैकेज 5 is from Dengtalang to Sethon. Okay, this one is 18 kilometer 4 lane. This one. Deducted 5 kilometers. We are making the bypass now. On that we have reduced 5 kilometers. Okay.
you are making me confused.
Your point is that you want to ask how many kilometers will be 4 lane?
No. I am only concentrating on the SDMC portion.
Oh, okay.
18 kilometers.
I am calculating each and every measure only from the SDMC portion.
23
I am not talking about any 4 lane portion right now.
23 kilometers.
So last time we have seen that the SDMC portion from Kolasib to Kawngpui is 95 to 118, right? That portion I am talking about. I am not talking about the 4 lane. I am only concentrating on the 95 to 118. 23. Then 23 kilometers. How much kilometer is left out from the 4 lane? Under this portion, there is not 4 lane going on. This is the SDMC portion. 18. Those of the SDMC portion which are not affecting the
95
4
to
lane.
104 minus कर दो.
an tluma yang ti po lo lom le helai chho hi sang ni som ni pari ma in pm men ko nga chengai lo sang ni som ni panga le sang ni som nu ni paruka hian motor ten tang ta ni Kolasib Kawngpui lam le thingdon in car han chedeu ma se motor ta na kophian ko nga chengai lo
If the GM is giving us green signal, giving us some signal, then you talk to the EPC contractor.
I am just telling you personally, you talk to the GM, sir. That is that no one can say it like that. Who will say that job will be terminated like that?
Suppose the local,
Even GMs are also,
if the local NGO is hiring and then working, then from tomorrow they will start definitely.
Actually, the thing is that we are
so
bound by
many-
the country only. Beyond that, we can't go.
Yeah,
Every
but
people's
see,
details they have to submit it.
for that they
So,
have to do proper
just-
rolling. Okay.
No, it's not about rolling. Just the way the EPC people, contractor, they cut the portion, right? They cut the portion, and then they dug out all the shallow soil, and then fill it with the proper GSB. Can that be done?
Yeah, that can. That will
Because
be,
just motorable is not satisfied.
no, for that, if you see, we
เฮ้ยวันนี้ก็ละสิบเขาปุ๋ยทุ่งเอเรียNHIDCL หน่วยคอนแทคเตอร์เต้นหัดเถาะลุงอ้อยเหล่าถูแต่กันนั้นเรียมุนักกันนั้นกลัวเฮ้ยกำมาฮิปุจวะสารจวะโอมาอดีตมิงปุ่มหันใส่เสลานมาลากดันเตเองงมาลากเงินดีเตวันนี้มาลากดันเตเขาอินมินสิตเจ
Kami hi VL Zarzo lian sai lo ania Susan Downs boarding school ah hian principal na kathoka sarzo ti min kawa nia ei kolosi pa kong thalo hi kan vei tlan are to a pol sang kan in zom khoma committee te kan neya ti chuanin JAC kan an dina ti chuanin kan halak na masa te po kong zo na te kan ne protest kan neya NHIDCL office ate kanan kala an office te kal sak te kanan tum a tiang khan ma kanan la mai ro chu kan memorandum kan deal na te min pom saka min te min sign saka son na te po takin an thok nin kan hriat la in hei thathum thali air or so kan enjoy ani kong tha hi ti chuanin kanan Kolasib tlang dung kanan kalkuala thalai reng omle to lo me ya lung chiat thak kan tia
ส่วนขมีอีอามาอีสุนันเสียมเดียวลุงเราดันลันตีระคานส่วนที่ส่งปังอามา
จุนที่ส่งปังอามาอาเซียนตรงเวกตูเองฮาเนียจุนมีส่วนพอส่วนอัจฉริยะทอมชัดนั่นนาอันถกโชเซลังตีค่ะกันอินเรมเสียมนาคานออกมานี่ไม่รอจุกันอินเรมเสียมนะอังเฮียนินที่อมแรงเราไหมอ่ะจู่ๆลุงอ้อยข้าวเรากันตีวางินวันนี้อาจจะสิเว็บบาร์ที่กันอินกูชัวกะส่วนนี้อัจฉริยะกันไงหมดเลยส่งสุกันโกรธทีแล้ววะกัวเส้นเวงกันสุกโกรธปุยะส่วนตุยชเวงกันกัลบกะส่วนเฮลัยมองขัดทีรีกันนั้นเอ็นปุยบกะอันสุยดานะส่วนนี้Kolasib kong hianin si page an tia lein hnuai atanga tui hna mi a chuak tam em a chu chuanin kong he ati tlolo ani an tia chuanin ba ka PHE tui pai pan phum hi a lik na salutu ka heng te poi ho tu te na po kan hril to a amai ro chu ma min lak saklem lo ati te po an soya chu chuan lam ani nge ka shalowa ha chu eng po ni se kan kong hi khodanga po ramdanga po hetiang kong hi an om ve thawa si page po an nei ve thaw amai ro chu hetiang hi anin an construction hi achelo kan ti ni so wan son vai ni anin kan lu a oi lo wa ei ti en ki khuna nge min siam no sak on ti hi kan sha thu top me ni tin chu mai po ni lawin siam zo nuwa po ei ti ang are nge min en kol pui don ni ha kan zo na an bo kan ni wen ni ya hela hi una kan om na la hi mong ka thira ni ta hela ya na soida na zon lei hi anem me chunga tla zela lung kan da tla zela an tia son tu na yan contractor NHIDCL noi contractor hemi set ho na changa Kawngpui lam en kol tu pusinga an tia contractor hianin
eng company nge
an ni hi
SK
MLN or RSK MLN ani so chu ani hi anin helai hi asoidana so anin PQC in kan siam dona tin school lai tui thaveng chereng lai truck association ina fian lo khon lai khu lai pay po khu PQC dona ni PQC an ti khanin hemi ale hi an lai vakanga ale hi an lai vakanga ti chuanin chubia chuanin lungte kan siat thiam dan tur kan soime nga lungte leite an narum mukanga chumi chunga chuanin simenin anti to dona ni
etika nge zo thei turanin
huna hianin dil an thenu mega puta lo ministry chu an general manager hi athang meka approval la turina thang me kan tia chumi approval an mu nuwa chuanin ma kan la theyang an tia ni mai ro chu an ni ang ho hi approval an ti han adai dure thei khop me ya
rin an harsa to
ya rin an harsa khop me an ni po kanan nor dewa approval in hu mai na ni eng tin nge lai kong hi min ti sak don a kong he cheto ro pui sia kan tia motor tlan thei turin kan siam reng sun ti ni
ส่วนอันนี้จุดตัดส่วนนั้นประคัดที่ขันFebruary นี่ส่งปรุกเวลาขันNHIDCL Office ดูสิโดนตีเวลบรัวกันบรัวกันน้ำตาอันนี้เตรียมน่าจุนนี่ส่งปังอาสังนี่ส่งนี่ปรุกมาเจ้าตัวรังอินทีอันเจ้าตะบกสีแล้ววะเอ็งที่นี่มาลากินตุ่มเลย
ที่ละยันนี่ส่วนเนี่ยอัน GM ฮีอะไรสินะอัน GM ทูนี่อันที่วังยันนี่ GM หมู่กันตัวไหม NHIDCL Office กันละลูตังอาเรมซังอ่ะเฮลัยกัน JC member เตมีจุนตักเวกันนี่อ่ะเอ็นมานี่นาจูเตกัลสันให้ฟินเนี่ยที่พวกอันรอนกัลละส่วนส่วนนี้อันหุ่นออลหุ่นเรมซังมาสับเบระอัน GM กันหุ่นโดนนี่ส่วนนี้สุดท้ายส่วนนี้กิมอาเฟลเวกกริงอันนี้
จูดานังมาลักสาวเซล
มากันลังจูดาเซริงโคลสิบตานกันละตอนนี้มา
เอาเลยเอ็งเงี้ยหันใส่เบลตุอีละเนี่ย
โอ้
ไว้ได้มาลังน่าเตอินหลอมเอ็ม
ก็หลอมให้สุฮาระทำไมเราสุเนี่ยมีปุ๋ยเต้นมีน้ำมูสักันมาลังนะอินกระถิ่นใส่ดูไปหมู่ไม่สุโคลสิบอีจังรัวหลังJAC กูตาเจ้าเฮียนี่ดาลวินJAC เดจอยอมเทียมาpolitical ทิลนี่โล politics ทิลนี่โลที่เดปอยมินเชียดสักกัดวะ
political party issue นี่แหละ
กงเชจุงจาง issue กันเสียเร่งเฮียน ruling party กันเบียมอ opposition party กันเนี่ยมอที่ลำพังข้านี่โลโคลสิบมีปุยตาน JAC กันคัลลานิติค่ะมินโนเชียดสักชามกันดูตักเมียนิติค่ะกันเซนรอเซตลอดเลย
อินคอมนู้นเราตั้งเป็นเปียจุงอ่ะกันหลอมไหม
อ๋อคิดพอกันหลอมไหม